Hey, Tim Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to cover using VS Code in the browser. So this is a new announcement within the past week or so. You're going to see more people talking about it, but apparently you can use VS Code in the browser. So to do that, you're going to type vscode.dev and then slash, and then we're going to do, let's pick a repo, one of my repos to work on. Let's do JavaScript algorithms. So I'm just going to copy, in this case, my name, and then the repo. Okay. If I was working together with another developer, like maybe we'll be doing this in work, what we'll do is we will take the name of the organization and then the repo. Okay, so I'm just going to go here, copy this, and paste this onto the end here, and hit enter. Okay. All right, so now I've got VS Code, and let's see, did that work? Oh, I can open things on my computer. That didn't work. Hold on one sec. One mistake I did was I got to put slash GitHub, and then I've got to paste this in. So hold on one sec. Okay. All right. So now it's going into my GitHub repository. It may ask me to sign in. It did ask me to sign in the first time. So I can go and look at some of my files, or maybe I can add to my GitHub repository. So let's take a look here. So we've got this. I can maybe edit it, and maybe I want a semicolon there. Okay. And now I can save it, and then let's check this. Let's see if it actually changed. So let's go here because I'm learning this as well. So it did not change. So how would I save this? Let's see. Okay. I've saved it, but now I've got to actually push it. Okay, so let's stage changes, and let's here's the changes. Okay. Figuring this out. Let's commit. Must specify a message. Okay. Added semicolon to I. Okay. All right. And let's commit. Okay. So now if I go here and refresh, I see I've got the semicolon. So I've staged the changes. So this is me just experimenting with this. First time I usually do Git from the command line. This is very interesting. I wonder if this will be something where teams can work together on a shared repository. And as I'm saying this, I'm sure that will be the case. That's pretty cool. All right. So anyways, thanks for watching this short video. Why don't you try VS Code in the browser? It might be kind of cool to play with a little bit. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. You can also go to my GitHub and follow me. Give me a star on one of my repos, or just follow me on GitHub, or you can go to Teacher Pay Teachers and support me there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.